Hey guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the nightlight mode or enable the nightlight mode within Windows 11. So if you're a person who currently works with your computer during the night, this could really help you with your eyes because you will not have those bright lights coming from your monitors on your face, right, or into your eyes, let's say. So this can be very useful for you. And on top of that, I'm going to show you a bonus tip that you can utilize as well that will help you with your computer as well, so that you will not have all of those bright lights coming from your screen, right? Very useful one. So if you'll find this video very useful and helpful, I would really appreciate if you give this video a like. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Joe Tutorial. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Now let's get into the tutorial. Now guys, here's what we do. Just simply right click on your Windows icon on your taskbar and simply go to display settings. And once you're there, all you have to do is just scroll down under brightness and color, and you will see the option that says night light, right? And it's currently off at the moment. And all you have to do is just simply turn this on and see what happens, that your computer screen is now turn on the nightlight mode. So you realize the difference when it's off and also once it's on. Now what I'm going to do as well guys, you can also play along with the brightness here if you so desire. You can do that. As you can see, maybe you can see a little bit here, but what happens is that you will play along with the brightness there, and this will also help you with the light on your monitor. But as an easy one, just simply turn on the nightlight option and this will do that for your screen. Now for the bonus tip guys. Now as you can see currently on my computer screen, it is currently dark, right? And this is actually the bonus tip, and I'm going to show you how to turn this on. So on the left hand side, just simply click on personalize, right? And this is from the menus as well, so you can just simply click on personalize, and then you want to choose colors. Now if your computer is not looking like mine that has the dark mode, then all you have to do is just choose the option here at the top where it says choose your mode. And as you can see, mine is currently set to dark. If you click this drop down one, you can see that I currently have the light mode as well, and this is just the default one that most Windows 11 would come with. So if you click on light, you realize that it is currently having the light. And as a bonus tip, if you're having this option on and would like to have the dark mode like myself, that will help you during the night as well, just simply come here to the colors from the personalize and then choose your color and simply select dark mode, and this will also put your computer with dark mode. So you can choose the dark mode option, and you can also use the option that will turn on the night light within your Windows. And that's all there is to it guys. That's all there is to it. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Joe Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.